Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to install Python. So let's get into the video. First you need to go to a link called python.org. I'll write python.org. Then you press enter. Then you have to go to the downloads, all release. Then you press download Python. You will press it. Now when it's done, to open it. Modify or then you can install Python, and then you have to press whatever you want. If you want permission, you can. If you want it, you can. And then you press next, and then you have to press install. So to work with Python, you need something called coding story. So I have one called Vscode. Vscode, then you have to download. Then you have to go to the first link, and then you can download it. And the other one is called Sublime text. The link will be in the description, so you can go to the direct link. And this is also a cool one. Just press download, then Windows. And then one is called a Pycharm that sometimes I use. Make sure you install the community edition because it's the free edition. Then you can install it. Here's the community. Here's the link. It's the professional edition. This is the paid one. And for the free one is this Pycharm community edition. So the VS Code will look like this. So the character will look like this. When you download it, will look like this. I have changed the theme to another. You can change whatever you want. And the Sublime text will look like this. This will be like this. You have to open your folder, your file and folder. And the next will be Pycharm. When you open it, it will come like this, Pycharm. And then you have to open your file. Go here. Open and select your file. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Bye.